What's up, guys? Pandora, the crypto babe, postcard diva. I'm back. How's everybody doing out there? I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the very first time, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, we are back. I'm back to show you guys real quick another proof payment that have come in for my daily pay income program that I've been talking about. One of our rug-free zone programs, okay? One of our digital programs. So want to just hit some bullet points real quick, show you a testimony of one of our folks that got started with this. Doesn't matter what age, guys. You don't have to have experience. You don't have to be technical. When I tell you, I've seen so many people in our community. We're at, I think, 5,300 people now in our community, where people from all walks of life have been able to come here and do just a few simple steps and be able to earn daily pay using just a few of these methods. All right, so let's talk about a few of those bullet points. You can go check this out at www.thecopypastemethod.com, right? So we want you to win, okay? We want you to win. We have calls every week. This is a proven simple way to earn daily pay with a 2-hour workday blueprint. I have been implementing some of these methods, and that's the proof, because just this week we've had $200-300 sales to come from me using a couple of these strategies, just copy and pasting some information, and boom, 2 sales have come in. And I'm going to read one of the text messages that I got. We'll talk about it. We'll get into it in a second, but you've got to go check this out, thecopypastemethod.com. So you can work this from anywhere in the world, guys, with a smartphone and a Wi-Fi connection, okay? And this 2-hour a day, 2-hour workday blueprint. All right, so let me go. Let's check this out real quick here. Let's come over here. Hang on a second. You know, the other thing I love about this is we're not even on Facebook. We have an app that we're working from. Here's some more proof. Check this out. My success was not overnight. This was just 4 hours ago, but 7 months later, daily pay $900 today while I've been sick with the flu. $2,100 this week, $1,550 last week, $25K in total since July. Shout out. And this person said, while I was unemployed, getting unemployment, following a few steps. You can do this too, guys. Check it out. Look, here's another one. $600 day while watching anime. I'm literally sitting around watching cartoons with my brother like an oversized kid and banking $600. This blueprint and community is freaking awesome. This is the stuff we got going on in our community. This is real live stuff. Guys, we've got a system that we use within the community. You'll have access to this once you get started with me. You can literally go here. You see where it says community, these tabs. You can type in the search bar like I typed up here, copy and paste ads, and it's literally giving me all the different trainings, okay, that fits that search word. Okay, there's 9 pages. You can't see it down here. 9 tabs. It says 81 on that word I just put in there. Copy paste ads. Okay, I tell you, this is an awesome tool that we've got here. I've been in this program since 2021, but sometimes you have to tweak your marketing, right? As a digital marketer, you know, you do things a certain way for a while, and then you notice you may get stagnant a little bit, and then as soon as you tweak it a little bit, switch your marketing up a little bit, you can see where things change. And that's what happened this week. Okay, I basically did a couple of those little strategies, and boom, 2 sales came in, $600 extra. Okay, so let me tell you, the first sale, and I think I talked to you guys about this, I was talking to a colleague about this program, right? And the testimonies that I heard, and what the value of being a part of the community and what you're gonna get. And while I'm talking to the person on the phone, literally they're cash apping me. I didn't realize that till they said it. It's like, well, hey, how much is this program, or how much is one of the trainings? And I gave them the 2 levels, and they said, hey, well, I'm getting ready to send you. Well, they just asked me how much first, and they had cash app me before, so they already knew my cash app. And I'm still talking and explaining all the value and the things that we have, and they just sent the $300 cash app in. Okay, just like that, because they understood the value on what we have. Then just Friday, all right, and I got the message here. I'm gonna read it. Shout out to Marilyn. Welcome aboard. Marilyn texted me. I'm gonna read it. I'm not gonna show it. About 2:30 on Friday. I'm looking at it. She says, "Hi Pandora. I received an email from you." So this one I sent out. I have a list. I've been building, you know, a list for years, right? So I just sent an email out to my list. These are people that was already on my list. These aren't cold people, okay? People already on my list. They've already been getting emails from me. It says, "Hi Pandora, I received an email from you yesterday. Is that website with the lady explaining the business a part of the membership?" You know, she's basically saying, I've already seen this opportunity before, but I've never seen that website that you were showing me. That's what she basically was saying. And so I told her, yes, she would get it once she joined my team. You'll be able to get this, okay? Because this is not included in the membership that you're purchasing your digital products, but because you're joining me, I'm able to offer you this, okay? So what you're seeing here, where I was just showing you the group where we got 5,200 people. So we'll be able to add you into the community, all right, so that you can get access to the same thing that I had. So she said, okay, cool. I'm going to sign up today at the $300 level. I get off at 9. I'll try to do it at lunch or the afternoon, okay? So she said that about 2:30. Sure enough, about, let's see, what time was it later? About 8:30. She sent that payment right over. I never followed back up to say, hey, are you going to do it? Any of that stuff. That's what I like about what we do. And this is the way I've been marketing anyway. I don't DM people. I don't go in there Facebook Messenger. I don't chase people around. I basically just put information out, whether it's an email, it could be a video, and you're getting an email because they're already on my list where they've actually asked for information already, right? That's what I mean when I say email. Or I put it out there like I'm doing now, talking to you guys, right? There's different ways I've always done my marketing. Once I learned how to do it, by traffic, things in the nature, post ads, but I don't actually go to friends, family, any of that stuff, okay? So when she said she was going to do what she was going to do, that's what she said, right? So I didn't follow up. Next thing I knew, she sent a message, and she sent it straight, just like she said she was going to do, all right? So that was from an email, but guess what? I got that email from in the community, in our training. Okay? And I just used it on a list I already have. All right? I just set the funnel up, but this is not cold traffic. This is people already on my list. And I simply just sent the email. She saw it, watched the video, sales page, the sales page that you'll get. And she decided she wanted to get in. All right? But it's simple strategies, guys. That's the thing. And by me seeing all these people, that's what I love about what I do. People that have no idea what this was about. Digital marketing, internet marketing, how to make money online, any of that stuff. But they were able to go in here, be coachable, and take the time, 2 hours. Okay? It's not 2 hours. It doesn't have to be just straight 2 hours. You can break the 2 hours up. You can say, well, hey, I'm going to do 30 minutes here, 15 minutes here, 10 minutes there. If a lady, one of our members that was working 70 hours a week, if she could find time, working a full-time and a part-time job, to do this and then quit both of those jobs in 10 weeks, I know you guys can find the time. Everybody can find the 2 hours somewhere in the day. You break it up. Okay, that is a true story. One of our members, she was working 70 hours, 2 jobs, saw the opportunity, was determined that she wanted out of that situation. She followed the 2-hour workday, and in 10 weeks, we have her testimony. She quit both of those jobs. She quit the part-time first, then she went and quit the full-time. All in a matter of 10 weeks. So anybody can do this. All right. So let's check out one of these testimonies. Check this out. I'm showing you this only because there's people that go, hey, I'm this age, I'm that age, I'm too old. It doesn't matter. We have folks 60, 70 years old doing the business, right? So check out this testimony right here. Check it out.
Hi guys.
Oh, hey.
My name is Maytha. I'm a 53-year-old mom and grandma from a little small town in Georgia, in that little corner between North Carolina and South Carolina. And guys, I just had to come and share with you how amazing our 6-figure blueprint is and how amazing our additional community is. I never thought at my age, over 50, I would be able to ever say I was a digital marketer, because I always thought that meant I had to create technical products. You know, I had to do tech work, which I do not have the skills for. But our blueprint breaks it down so simple, in short, precise, step-by-step videos, but even I was able to do it. And not only that, we have additional training inside our amazing community that also gives us the funnel in the emails that is simple, step-by-step instructions to follow. So I was able to do it, which amazed me, actually. But again, guys, if you're looking to be a digital marketer and learn those skills to take your business to new heights, our digital growth community that's coming, in addition to our blueprint and our community, is going to be amazing and will take your business to new heights. So if this is the kind of opportunity you're looking for, which you should be, because guys, it is the most amazing feeling to be a part of a community of over 1,900 people that are so supportive, and such an easy system to learn these skills that changes your life. So come join us in our digital growth community. We'd love to have you.
1,900. That was a while back. I'm not sure which month that was, but we at 53 or 5,400. I'll show you. Check this out. Amazing. So you heard her story, right? So she's basically telling it doesn't matter what age, you can do this. If you're coachable, if you can follow some simple instructions. 5,400. Okay. It was 50... It was either 51 or 52 when I got started in this thing. What, last week? What was it last week? Sunday. Okay, 6 days ago. We're growing like crazy. One more thing before I show you my proof payment. Did I mention, that's the other great thing that I like, because I'm juggling a few different projects, okay, and I'm talking to people every day, right? So what I like about this one, and this is probably going to be, I'm going to switch up some things here in the next few weeks, but what I like about this one so much is I go into my dashboard, if you will, or log in, right? And I look at that day. Each day there is a video, like maybe 8 to 10 minutes, 8 to 12 minutes. All I have to do is press play, right? And we're given, well, here's what you should be doing today. Just click, can you press play? And listen to an 8 to 10 minute video saying, it may say, hey, you need to go and make 2 posts. It may say you need to go do 2 videos. It will tell you what to do, but very simple. Because I know people get that a lot, especially if you're not online. Hey, I don't know what to do. Even if I made a video, what am I going to talk about, right? So for me, it's perfect because I'm already doing this, so it gives me some ideas. Oh, yeah, let me do that. So great stuff, guys. I mean, just amazing. It's turned my business up because, again, I've already been in this program. So this is giving me some new strategies. And it's already been proven within 6 days of me trying this thing out. And I'm loving it. So anyway, let me show you guys this proof payment that I just received last night, Friday. Okay, hold on. All right, right here, guys. See, it says Friday, November 10th, 8:32 p.m. Now, she put on here TikTok training, but it's all good. But you can see $300. Okay, that's another one. I showed you one earlier this week, $600 from a 2-hour workday blueprint. Okay, now you're gonna go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. There is a short video there that's going to explain what this is all about, guys. Okay, and from there, if you're ready to get started, you'll be able to click that button inside of there. Go ahead and get your digital products, and from there, once I receive my payment, I'm going to send you a welcome email. In the welcome email, there's a link that's going to give you access to your membership area so that you can go in there. What you're going to do is you're going to get your website, create, the company's going to create it for you, so there's no technical stuff you need to do, but you're going to pay for that separately. You're going to pay the company. So it could take up to 24 to 48 hours to get your website created. But while your website is being created, you're going to have access to our community. You're going to have access to your actual digital products so you can kind of get familiar with everything. And then within 24 to 48 hours, your website is up and you're ready to start promoting it and following these simple strategies. All right. So if it sounds like something you're interested in getting started in, or you want more information, all you got to do is go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. Go check it out. See what it's all about. I've been promoting this since 2021. Almost, what's that, 2 years, almost 3 years, guys. All right. So I've discovered a new strategy that I've implemented, and that's how I've been able to make those extra $600 this week with this strategy. And the community, you're gonna love the community. People from all walks of life, all over the world, from all age groups, from all industries. Awesome platform. So anyway, go check it out, guys. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.